What's going on, y'all? Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Altcoins, what's happening with crypto, the market crashing, all that good stuff. Y'all read the title. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I want to appreciate us giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto analysis. We also post weekly stock analysis as well as day trading tips. And we live stream and live trade every day, Wednesday session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So this isn't your typical investment channel. We don't just talk about one thing, but we show you how to make money both on the front end as well as the back end. So we'll show you how to make active as well as passive income when it comes to investing and when it comes to these charts. First things first, and shout out to my boy Jordan. He just got funded another account. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's either 100 or a 50K account. Can't remember. He's gonna have to correct me, but he said officially funded. And if we scroll up a little bit, you can see he's been putting in. If we scroll up a little bit, you can see he's been putting in that work, letting me know, keep me up to date, giving him feedback. If he's got any questions, he's been letting me know, but he's been working on this for the past month and some change as another 150K account, man. So the first thing I got to talk about now, y'all heard me say this a lot, but I got to keep repeating it. Retracements are not the same thing as crashing. If you want to be an investor, a smart investor, a wise investor, make the most bang from your buck, you need to learn and understand how to read the charts. Now, I got a bunch of videos. I got a whole playlist, matter of fact, literally titled Day Trading Tips. So make sure to watch that. And I teach y'all a bunch how to read the charts, the trends, flow of price, support, resistance, supply, demand, all that good stuff. But you have to learn how to read the charts. You can't just be like looking at the news or going off of how much is up or down for the day or for the month or the week. That is not important. And it's definitely not as important as the charts in the market flow, right? I talk about this all the time. I got a video breaking down the trends. There is an uptrend, right? Then there is a downtrend. When we look at Bitcoin, which one of those two are we in? I think we could all agree that we are in an uptrend. What part of an uptrend signifies tanking or a crash? What part of an uptrend signifies tanking or a crash? Nothing. But again, that's because people are just going off percentages on a day-by-day basis or the news and not actually looking at the charts. Because if you understand market flow, then you understand that price just can't forever shoot up and price just can't forever shoot down. There are things called retracements, and the retracement in an uptrend is called the higher low, which then gives us a new higher high. That is what we see here: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, if we see a downtrend come into play, then we can say things are tanking and crashing. But as of right now, this is just simply a retracement. And also, if y'all been watching me on my videos, I've been telling y'all to get into Bitcoin since before the halving, and then since we were at 50, 60K. I also told y'all when we first hit 100K that y'all was late but not too late and to expect retracements. And y'all can literally go to my Bitcoin playlist. You can see all the thumbnails of me telling y'all for months that a retracement back down to this level was coming, and we finally got here, right? So another thing you got to understand is this is an opportunity. You guys are supposed to buy things when they're low and on sale. When y'all see some makeup, purse, or some shoes on sale, 20%, 50% off, do y'all run out the store and be like, oh my God, this shit's on sale, oh my God, prices are crashing? No, you take that opportunity and buy. You say, oh my gosh, OMG, this is a steal. And then you do it, right? Fellas, you know what I'm saying, with the Jordans or whatever y'all buy, right? Do y'all run away? Well, some of y'all like to waste y'all's money, but y'all get the point. A smart person, do y'all run away when y'all see things on sale? No. You take that opportunity and like, oh, this is on sale, I'm definitely about to buy now. But for some reason, when it comes to stocks and crypto, when things are on discount, y'all run away. But then when things shoot back up, you're upset because you missed it, or then you want to buy. And then you wonder why y'all get caught in the retracements and lose money because you only want to buy after things just did a 40, 50% move. But you don't want to buy when things do a 40, 50% move to the downside, though. Again, you're supposed to buy when things are on sale. You make money based off the retracements. You can't really make money if you're always buying on the pushes. You get what I'm saying? Another thing is perspective-wise. This thing is basically right back to where it started Q4 last year. This was October's candlestick. It's all the way back to where we left off at. Now, I'm not going to be talking about Bitcoin in this video. I talked about all those prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana in another video, so make sure to check that out. But I'm just using it as an example because another thing that you got to understand is Bitcoin. There's reasons why the people separate Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and then they say altcoin season. But Bitcoin is essentially the mover of all crypto. If Bitcoin goes down, 90% of all the other coins are going to retrace as well. That's the same thing. If Bitcoin goes up, 90% of the other coins are going to go up as well. So not only the Bitcoin retrace, which caused the retracements on the charts, but again, retracements are simply part of the game. Same thing with Chainlink. I was telling y'all to get into Chainlink last year. That thing was at as low as $12, went as high as $18, and then went to $30. All y'all that missed that when I first told you about Chainlink, I told you about these price levels as well in that video. That when I was like, Trump just bought these 3 coins. Told y'all these price points. Again, same thing. This was a resistance level. Price broke above this level, failed to hold that support, rejected. We can clearly see that when we go to a smaller time frame. It failed to hold this level of support, rejected, right? So a Chainlink is currently at $14.50, $15. If it can't break a whole $15 as support, it's most likely going to retrace and retest this $10, $11 price range. Now, this is a strong support level here, so we can respect $11, $12 as support. We can see price attempt to break back above $18, $19. Now, it's going to have to hold $20 as support for the uptrend to come back into play. But again, this is not a crash. This is simply a retracement because it failed to hold this level as support. You see what I'm saying? Now, if we was to break below $5 and hold that as resistance, that is the danger zone and where we can see the downtrend come into play. But as long as we're not there, you got nothing to worry about, right? You got nothing to worry about. But again, this is easy money because even if it goes from here back up to this resistance level, that's bread, right? So make sure to pay attention to those price points. Now, let's talk about AVE, right? Same thing. Told y'all to get into AVE back in January, February. This thing was all the way, it went as high as $3.95. All y'all that missed that, same thing. It's right back to where it started November. Everybody was ignoring the crypto rush, October, November, and then y'all missed it after December. Everything is right back to where it started Q4 last year. But for some reason, last time y'all was upset, y'all missed it. Now y'all scared for the other opportunity. But again, same thing. This was a resistance level. Price broke above, failed to hold 250 as support, right? So we go to the smaller time frame. We see it also failed to hold 188 as support. So if we continue to treat this level as a resistance, it can retrace back down to 140, 142. Now for the uptrend to come into play, it's going to need to hold 250, 255 as support. Now again, we're not really crashing or in a danger zone unless we break below $80 and start treating that level as resistance. So again, understand that there's a difference between retracements and a crash. There's a difference between an uptrend and a downtrend. It's very important to understand how to read the charts, y'all. Now I got another crypto video lined up for y'all later on next week, or going on to this week in the next few days. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal free Telegram, y'all. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.